man. Feel this shit right here. Scott Storch, nigga. Yeah, Khaled, I see you, nigga. Showbiz, born law. Yeah. Yo. I don't give a fuck about your faults or mishaps, nigga. We from the Bronx, New York, shit happens. Kids clapping, love to spark the place. Half the niggas in the squad got a scar on their face. It's a cold world and this is ice. Half a meal for the charm, nigga, this is life. Got the phantom in front of the building, Trinity, yeah. 10 years been legit, they still figure me bad. As a young, was too
King, how many rides you got dirty? Well, I got a Caprice on 24s. I got a Range Rover with spinners. I got an Impala with beat. Let's go. I do ride Bentleys and cruise, but I don't give away all my loot. Trick over silly, I won't. Ride less than 20 inches, I don't. But I do know this might be a single when I walk my chains on, so they might jingle if she give me low. Ain't a hater nowhere in my crew, so famous that I can't go nowhere in the loop. You name it, the mall, the gas station, them people be waiting to see me hopping something, hating on them dudes too skating, running it like Walter Payton, and tell you I'm so blatant. The paper I'm saving, my bank.
No acuden a mí.